Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
So I heard a student of knowledge say that it's not allowed to recite Quran.
I don't understand you, Aiden.
You're not supposed to recite the Quran in your free time. So is that true? You have to schedule it.
You recite the Quran 3 times?
No, in your free time.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Just choose to do it.
What is the problem in reciting the Quran in your free time?
I don't know. You're saying you're supposed to schedule the time.
Akhi, your microphone is not connected correctly, and I cannot understand what you're saying, and this is waste of time. Whatever this student of knowledge told you, I don't understand, but you can recite the Quran in your free time whenever you want, and you can schedule it whenever you want, and there is no restrictions in any of that.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So there is that app that is actually meant to help with memorizing the Quran, and its idea is based on hiding the verses of the Quran page, and then when you start reading, it records, and the verses appear sequentially. And after when you finish a page, you move to the next page, which is blank, and the verses start to appear in the same way. So I've been using that app for a while, and I heard someone saying that this app is in some way disrespectful to the Quran or something like that. Is this true?
No, it's not true. As long as it helps you find out your mistakes and refreshes your memory, there's no problem in that. It's like when you are reading the Quran to me and you say, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ, and I say, okay, and you don't remember the other ayah, and I don't correct you, I'm just waiting for you. If you make a mistake, I'll correct you. If you don't, you have to try your level best to remember it. There is no problem in that.